morning moon.
Today we are going to see for rapid computers. We can ask them what they are doing for rapid computers.
In rapid computers in Doha, Qatar.
Okay. Introduction from yourself. You are from which country?
I am from Sri Lanka.
Okay. And how long you are working here?
I am working here now 4.5 months.
Okay. What they are doing rapid computers?
Rapid computers, all kind of things, electrical items we are repairing and maintenance. I make computers, I make desktops,
Okay.
laptops,
Okay.
TVs.
Okay. And you are doing TVs repairing and
Yeah,
for games related also you are doing for repairing for
yeah. TV repairing,
okay.
computers, all kind of computers. I
Camera
make
also you are
Apple.
doing?
No, cameras we are not repairing.
Okay, okay.
But I am cameraman, video filming
Okay.
cameraman.
And the games related, the Sony and
Yeah, Sony PS4,
PS4, PS5,
PS4, PS5 now latest game. This also we are repairing.
you are repairing.
We have
that.
spare parts, everything we are doing.
Normally, for this kind of gadgets, what kind of graphics issue or how they are getting?
Normally come always customers doing PlayStation HDMI port
Okay.
broken. You know why? Their HDMI port is very sensitive, very soft.
Okay.
That one put it more or shaking, then it is broken. And another one, power supply issues also we are repairing. About PS4.
PS4, you told me for power problem and HDMI port broken.
And DVD-ROM also broken. These
Okay.
things coming, we are repairing.
Okay.
We put it down, new
In
parts.
rapid
everything we are doing.
computers for trading and service, they are specialized for MacBook, specialized
That's
for
right. Yeah, MacBook,
okay.
everything, Apple computer, everything.
And you are doing
laptop,
for-
desktops, everything.
What kind of chip level service your customer they are giving? What kind of problem they are giving for your service center?
Yeah, chip levels, the main chip also not working, then we are doing. Chips
Okay.
also we have special machines we will do.
In this field, how many years you are experienced in for chip
In
level
Doha,
service?
I have experience in 4 years and 6 months. In Sri Lanka, I have on shop also.
Okay.
Their experience, I think, more than 35 years.
35 years you are experienced.
Yeah.
And the TV repairing also you are doing.
TV repairing, before also TV repair. TV
Okay.
Sri
LED
Lanka,
TV, all OLED, all TV.
LED, LCD. Now all TVs set.
Okay.
CRT now not there. CRT before I am doing.
Okay.
Now no. Now new generations coming, new systems in the world.
Okay.
Now LED,
Let's,
LCD.
we'll see.
TV. What is this?
This is MacBook all-in-one for desktop.
Yeah.
You are repairing.
MacBook, yeah, all-in-one desktop. This is we are repairing.
Okay.
This is power units. There is chips. Chips also somewhere problem will come. We are doing.
Okay.
Otherwise, all there is chips also. We will do.
The TV, what kind of problem you are making service?
This one always coming power board.
Power
fault is
board
coming.
problem.
System board, T-con board,
Okay.
and LEDs also LED changing.
Okay.
Like these things we are doing.
Now TVs, if you repairing, customer they are giving, they will think when they are any repair is happened, the cost is they will be calculated. If you why we want to repair this one, otherwise we can go for new one. They will think cost comparison also.
You know why? Here in Qatar, television price is very low.
Very
you can
low.
buy very cheap
Okay.
price, Qatar.
Okay.
Then customer also thinking buy new one or old one repair like this. Good branded like this, LG, Sony, like this they will repair.
Okay.
Other some brands there is. This brands people doesn't like to repair again, but good branded things, Qatar also now repairing. You know, otherwise sometimes going more expensive, they are not repair. They are not repair.
They know
No repair.
Okay.
You know, this Qatar.
That means it's a good brand, they can repair.
They will repair. Yeah. Good
Some
brand.
other brands are
Some
very
other brands
Icon and many brands are coming, they
Yeah.
cannot repair that
Yeah, you know, no, another some brands, not quality brands also they are no. These brands they are not repairing.
Okay.
They will repairing too much. TCL good, Hisense good, LG,
one.
Sony, Panasonic, National Panasonic, like this good brands they will repair. You know
Okay.
why this is good?
Most of this repairing cost, how much is normally it's coming? This LG,
Yeah.
if it is board problem or power board problem, LED, how much cost, estimated cost?
We are
will come?
charging normally this TV is 32-inch example. LED's problem we will take only 80 real, 100 real something.
Okay.
Not charging more.
Okay.
No. We are doing our shop Rapid Computers. We are doing everything cheap.
Cheap.
Customers that side, all customers actually Qatar too much customers come into Rapid Computers.
Okay.
You know
In
here good engineers.
Okay.
Computer everything good engineers there.
Mm. This parts and all availability is here is possible, is there?
Yeah, we can find in Qatar.
Okay. You are ordering
Some
from
parts- some
online
parts-
or
some
how
parts
you?
not available. We will bring ordering.
Okay. Some of ordering
some
from
another
online.
country. Some another country we bring.
Okay.
Then we will do like this. We will do good service here.
Okay. This kind of Apple laptop, what kind of problem you are facing this all-in-one laptop?
This is all in my desktop.
All-in-one desktop,
All in a desktop. These are coming always. This power board.
power board.
This is system board.
You are removing the power IC and
Yeah.
gambling
repairing.
or something you are doing.
Repairing. Oh, like these things we will repair. We can repair.
Okay. Power board problem you are
Oh,
repairing.
Yeah. You know some items are very seal type.
Okay.
But we have machines to remove.
Machines to remove
Machines we have removing
Okay.
everything.
everything.
Yeah.
Can you come? What kind of machine you have? Just to show to us.
Microchip scanning like this.
This is all reboiling machine.
Rebonding.
Reboiling machine. And measurement of each IC, you can check the power is coming
Yeah.
or how your diagnosation.
Yeah.
This
We
kind
check
of
what is the
equipment
problem.
only you are doing.
Yeah. Majid. Sit. Here doing, yeah.
Okay. So many motherboards are there. Is all motherboard repairing is possibility is there?
Yeah. Normally some fire, some motherboards are fire will come no inside circuit.
Okay.
Then cannot. Then we will replace the motherboard.
Okay.
Otherwise we will repair.
The motherboard cost is buying new laptop and old
Some,
laptop motherboard cost is very less or expensive.
Some motherboards, you know, example iMac motherboards expensive outside,
Okay.
but we will repair and we will do. This is good.
Good.
Customer for cheapest we can just
The
customer
comparison of price, if you buy new one, it will be less than for motherboard cost.
Can, yeah, less than.
Okay. This kind of microscope and all identification of the IC chip.
Yeah.
What
chips,
kind of-
we cannot see in a normal light. Very small things we can make it bigger,
Okay.
bigger.
Bigger.
Yeah.
And the frequency you can check from the this kind of
Yeah.
equipment.
Yeah.
So what is the name of this
This is
equipment?
no, this is power supply,
Power supply.
power regulator.
And how the IC frequency, how you will be identified?
There,
There.
computer. He will do computer.
Computer only.
Yeah,
And microscope and they will check the IC.
yeah.
Okay.
But rebonding machine not fix it, no? Otherwise something rebonding can take it, no picture.
This machine is a reboiling machine
Yeah,
for graphics IC.
yeah. Now you know.
Mm. All in one desktop, everything you are repairing is
Oh,
possible.
Yeah, possible.
Okay.
Pocket.com.
Morning Moon.